Alrighty, folks, it is Sunday morning. It is the third Sunday of 2024, and it's time we look ourselves in the mirror and share with you the activities of the week, the good and the bad. Why don't I just share a quick summary of 3 good and 3 bad? Let's start with the good this morning. I did get my first 10-mile run in, felt pretty good. I did get a little sore by the evening walking up the stairs. Was a little more ginger than this old man is used to. We had a great week for selling courses. How to get started one rental at a time is clearly picking up steam again. We are doing the $100 giveaway, whether you want to do 2 free $50 courses or you want to do the one $100 course, which some people are choosing the 10-week boot camp. Also, it was fun to see we just launched the 10-week boot camp, which once went for $999. We are now letting you watch the replay for $99, folks. So if you want to get hands-on, go deep in the buy box, talk about your spreadsheets, tracking, all of that, it is in the 10-week boot camp. You can have all of the replay, the 20+ hours at your disposal to help you move forward. Live Q&A, all of that was recorded to hopefully help more people moving forward. And last week, I was on 2 podcasts. Neither one has been published yet, but look forward to those coming out. Again, if you have some podcasts that you have relationships with, please reach out. I would love to get on some more. Now for the negative, the cons. What did I miss? No book reviews. One rental at a time or 15 conversations with real estate millionaires had zero book reviews on Amazon. This is something that's important to me. It's something that we're tracking. In fact, 15 conversations with real estate millionaires got 0 reviews all year. So 3 weeks in a row, we're stuck at 56 reviews, if memory serves. Number 2, all of my YouTube stats across all of my channels were down, down, down. Views were down, subs were down. All of them missed metrics. This week was pretty bad across the board on YouTube. And then finally, Amazon referral links. This is something I've had for a while, but really haven't used a lot, haven't talked about. I'm giving it a shot this year. These are things like on my website, onerentalatatime.com, the books, the games that I recommend to move forward. We have done some product reviews and other books on the channels. But yeah, if you want to go to onerentalatatime.com, see things that I recommend. There are affiliate links. As I understand it, you click on the link, it gives me a 24-hour cookie. I think that's how it works. And then I get a little, couple of pennies for each of those. So at the end of the day, those are the pros and the cons, but I would be remiss if we didn't share the actual spreadsheet, right? These are the things that I am tracking. Hopefully you can see that now. So what we'll do is we will just go down the list. So the personal goals, I am trying to lose weight, although as you can see, not really working. I'm stuck at 206, which is row 5 there, the third number down. Here's the truth. My diet sucks. I basically eat 2 meals a day. One of them is healthy and the other is not. If I really want to start losing weight, I need to realize I'm not 30 anymore. And I do need to pay closer attention to my diet. As you can see, I'm doing plenty of running and steps, but if my diet sucks, my diet sucks. And I need to own that. I need to realize that and need to clean up that second meal of the day. As for steps, we did hit 70,000 steps, which is 10,000 a day for a week. I do not hit 10,000 a day. But I wanted to get 70,000 steps for the week. Hopefully that makes sense. We've now hit that 3 days in a row. 22 miles. The highlight of the week in the running this week was my first 10-mile run, which I did successfully Saturday morning. That was a lot of fun. It actually felt better than expected, and I was sore than expected in the evening. The other thing I haven't done a great job of yet is starting to talk to more and more agents about creating my buy box. I have let some new home activities get in the way. I have let the event get in the way. I'm spending a lot of time trying to get the event right. It's less than a month away, so I have not done this. I've had some agent connections, but I need to have some conversations, if that makes sense. We are up to 18 golden tickets that we sent out, which was pretty amazing. 17 black cards. I would have expected black cards to take off more because, again, you could get multiple black cards. So if you've done a deal and I've helped you in any way, let me know. I'm an easy grader, and I will send you a card. Conferences, again, I haven't gone to any. Looks like I have 2 conferences signed up. I will be going to the Think Media event in April, and I'm going to also go check out WealthCon in April, Ryan Pineda's event. So again, exciting times there. So I need to find one more. I was on 2 podcasts this week, so thank you guys for that. That was pretty amazing. I look forward to sharing those podcasts with you when they are available. On to run rental at a time views and subs. As you can see, I sucked. I missed my views. I missed my subs on every single channel. Views for ORAT down. Subs down. Daily financial news down. Daily financial news subs down. Best of ORAT down. And best of ORAT subs down. Again, it is what it is. I need to be better. Again, my conversation with Graham, Stefan, and the like was very eye-opening. So I know there's things that I could do. I need to figure out those, and that's why I'm going to Think Media event in April. As for book sales, one rental at a time, still doing great. 37 book sales after several years. Although book reviews, we had 0 book reviews. 0. That's not good. We did sell 5 books. It's really weird to me. 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires is a book I wrote for my audience because I knew it was the book I needed. Because again, real estate investing is slow. You need to be reminded that it pays off. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why that never took off. I know one thing, it is a little bit pricier. Note to self, if you ever do a book on Amazon, don't put pictures. I thought it would be a great idea to celebrate my millionaires, and I put their pictures and bios in the back. Huge mistake. Huge mistake. Don't do that. It raises the cost a lot. And again, got no book reviews for 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires. If you could do me a favor and write some 5-star book reviews, I would love to get that over 100. As for education, 12 people got the free spreadsheet. Again, go to onerentalatatime.com, get the 53-year spreadsheet. It is free, free, free. We had 5 people sign up for the free course. We had 2 people buy the $50 or $99 courses, kind of the starter courses. One was a deep dive buy box, and the other was the 10-week boot camp. Yes, folks, if you ever wanted to get some hand-on, one-on-one coaching, but you can't afford $1,000, I now have put out there for you a 10-week boot camp where you can watch 40-some individuals ask questions and go through spreadsheets and tracking and all of that. Truly beneficial and a steal at $99. We did have a good week for the main course, How to Get Started One Rental at a Time, $399. I am still doing that bonus of $100 in free goodies. You get the boot camp 10-week, or you can get 2 $50 courses, whatever your heart's desire. That is working. We again sold 5 of those last week. And we got 2 Facebook members. I'd love to get this over 2,000. We have sold almost 4,000 courses. So it's only about 50% or so of folks that have that. And then finally, ORAT swag. We did 0 last week. We do have shirts, hats. We got these awesome coffee mugs here. But yes, 0 swag. We got a couple of selfies. Again, I want to create a cork board with all the 2024 pictures. Take pictures of your card, take pictures with the books, take pictures with both books. I would greatly appreciate it. And then finally, the Amazon referral link. Woo, look at that. Bad week, $4. Last week was 15. I really don't know what to expect with this, in all honesty. It's just something that I have been recommended to do, so I am doing it. So at the end of the day, folks, again, on the good side, we did get my first 10-mile run. We did sell several How to Get Started One Rental at a Time courses. On the bad side, all the YouTube metrics missed, and no book reviews. So again, if you go to Amazon, that would be great. Write a review, 5-star review. I'd be greatly appreciated. Have fun. Take care. Have an amazing week. And we will do this again next Sunday.